second manifestation that I would like to make today, Your Honor, is in relation to a social media post that I happened to see. And this was posted at 11:29 a.m. by one of the private prosecutors, Attorney Amando Virgil Ligutan, posting that a principal or lawyers and law students know by heart misleading questions are not allowed even in cross-examination. Now, this was posted and picked up by Inquirer.net at 11:29 a.m. today. And I surmise that this has something to do with the exchange between the private prosecutor, Attorney Kapunan, and the defense counsel, Attorney Ferrer, on the matter of the cross-examination question that Attorney Ferrer asked the prosecution's witness. And I have here a transcript because I find it troubling that the private prosecutor would do this in the middle of a courtroom hearing. Because as far as I'm concerned, impeachment court is also a court of decorum. And the rules on impeachment under Rule 18 actually prohibits participants, especially lawyers, from commenting about the merits of the case. Now, one may argue that this isn't about the merits of the case, that he probably was just commenting about what ought or ought not to do in a cross-examination, but we're not naive. What the private prosecutor is talking about, he's here, he can explain it. He can explain himself if the presiding officer so desires, but I really just find it in bad taste to do this at this time. And I think it is inappropriate to do that to a fellow member of the bar, because even as we sit on the opposing side of this hall, we remain to be both members of the bar, and as officers of the court, we owe each other respect, politeness, or even kindness. And it doesn't take one to be a lawyer to know that the first thing that our parents teach us to do is humility.
Your Honor?
No, I'm not yet done, Your Honor. In fact, I have asked one of our lawyers to review the actual transcript from the video that transpired between the prosecutor and Attorney Ferrer, and it would seem that in the heat of the exchange, or in the passionate exchange of the arguments between the prosecutor and Attorney Ferrer was not even actually referring to misleading questions as allowed.
She said
as
that.
implied in the social media post of Attorney Ligutan. In fact, it's here. The court can confirm this from a replay of the video. Attorney Ferrer, sinabi ho ba yan sa JC na dapat may mahuli? The witness answers, ang nakalagay po kasi sa JC under 4.8.2 ay proof of success. Attorney Ferrer, hindi. Sorry, Your Honor, please. Attorney Kapunan, let the witness answer, Your Honor. Mr. Presiding Officer, can the counsel be instructed not to stop the witness mid-sentence, Your Honor? Attorney Ferrer, Your Honor, please, can the witness be directed to just answer with yes or no? The counsel has her time to ask clarificatory questions later during redirect, Your Honor. And Attorney Kapunan, not all questions can be answered by yes or no. This is the meat of the contention of the argument between Attorney Kapunan and Attorney Ferrer. Attorney Ferrer responded, I am on cross, Your Honor, please. And the presiding officer said, counsels. Attorney Kapunan responded, never mind if you are on cross, Your Honor. There are limits to cross-examination. Misleading questions are not allowed on cross. This was the first time that the matter on misleading questions was actually raised by Attorney Kapunan. And Attorney Ferrer, for some reason, said they are allowed, but she was pertaining to the fact that the questions to which a yes or no answer may be answerable are allowed. She's not referring
Dapat
to
pinaliwanag niya kanina.
In effect, Attorney Ferrer was only saying that leading questions are allowed on cross-examination, not misleading questions, and yet we have a private prosecutor immediately taking to social media and posting this, implying something against the defense counsel. We will not have this.
Your
Yeah.
Honor, in the interest of fair play, may I request that the counsel for the panel of prosecutors, Attorney Virgil Ligutan, be recognized, Your Honor.
Unfortunately, counsel, no, the presiding officer will not allow that at this time. The presiding officer takes in advisement the manifestation of the counsel, the lead counsel, and
Bias.
the respondent, because quite frankly, Honorable Luistro, I asked the clerk of court to monitor the public statements of the counsels of the parties this past week. And one side has been crossing the line many, many times. And in fact, the presiding officer is already in the process of drafting a ruling and a warning and an order pertaining to this. Because clearly, I can even name all of you who have been commenting on social media in violation of Rule 18 of the impeachment rules. But I will do that on Monday, perhaps, after taking advisement the manifestation of the counsel for respondent. It's not really so much being cordial or nice or kind, but it's a basic violation of Rule 18. I already talked to the parties 2 weeks ago, reminding you that you might want to consider appointing spokespersons who are not part of the panel of prosecutors nor a private prosecutor, but you insist on maintaining that. So after 2 weeks, the court is constrained to make a decision and ruling on that. But we will do that on Monday with the permission of both counsels. Then we will hear you, counsel, and we will hear Attorney Ligutan prior to the court's ruling on the matter. But be advised that again,
Yakin.
we have it all on tape. We have been monitoring everything. We may not enumerate it one by one, but we will make the corresponding ruling on Monday. Thank you for bringing that up, counsel. It gives me a reason to actually issue the ruling, which we have prepared and have been preparing the past few days. On Monday, Attorney Ligutan, we will hear you before we make the ruling. Thank you. There being no other matter to be taken up by the trial, by the court, we hereby adjourn until Monday, August 17, still at 10 a.m.
Actually guys, mga ka-GP etong si Attorney Sheila Sison, dapat nung una pa lang, mga kababayan, nung sinabi po ni Attorney Christine, mga kababayan, na, di ba, nagsagutan sila ni Attorney Capuna, nang sinabi niya po na misleading, ay hindi pwede, mga kababayan, di ba? Hindi yan pwede sa cross-examination. Nung sumagot siya na allowed, mga kababayan, di dapat kinorect niya yung sarili niya. Dahil sa sinabi niya dapat I stand corrected. What my point is that leading is allowed, hindi misleading, di ba? Para nang sa ganun, mga kababayan, hindi ito na-take, hindi ito nakuha o na-grab ng mga manonood natin. And I believe yung pag-post ni Attorney Ligutan, mga kababayan, that is his intention para doon sa mga nanonood, mga kababayan. So, ano niya yon? Kumbaga, bilang isang abogado, karapatan niya rin yon na itama. Diba? Kasi ang pagkakarinig natin, mga kababayan, maliwanag na maliwanag kagad Diba? Uulitin ko lang, mga ka-GPnatics, yung sinabi dyan, dapat una pa lang kinorek na ni Attorney Christine yung kanyang sinabi para hindi na lumala. Diba? She has a lot of time, mga kababayan. Sobrang haba ng leeway na ibinigay sa kanya ni Chis Escudero. Yung simpleng bagay to correct herself, hindi niya man lang nabigyan. Diba? Para nang sa ganun, mga kababayan, alam na kaagad natin. Kita nyo na. Humaba pa, natapos pa bago siya nagpaliwanag. Nung pagbalik sana, pag-resume ng session, diba? Pag-resume ng session, dapat nag-manifest na kaagad siya. Iba yung manifestation niya, diba? Ano yung manifestation niya, mga kababayan? Na wag magkaroon ng sideline comments, mga something like that. Sideline comments na nga Mga kababayan, di dapat nag-manifest na siya and kinorek niya na yung sarili niya doon sa tinake up po ng iba na mga lawyer, mali po yung pagkakaintindi nila. Hindi ko po sinabi na misleading is allowed. Actually, nakat lang ako noon. Pero ang point ko doon is leading is allowed. 'Di ba? Leading is allowed, hindi misleading. O, di sana natama niya yung sarili niya, bugak. Oh. Correct. Malaya si Attorney Ligutan, freedom of speech, mga kababayan. Kasi iba lang yung tingin nila doon kasi nga nasunog sila ng gusto. 'Di ba? Oh. Habang maaga mag-walk out na siya. Sumunod kayo sa presiding president. Oh, iiyak na sila. Bakit nilagay niyo si Pirer na di kaya sa lagin si Sara? 'Di ba? Init na sila kay Attorney Kapunan na nag-init pa lalo sila kay Attorney Ligutan. Mag-ingat kayo sa may mga N sa dulo. 'Di ba? Oh. Hindi kasi kaya tanggapin na may mali. Na ano kasi guys, nadurog po sila ng gusto. 'Di ba? Nadurog sila ng gusto. Ito, mapakita ko uli sa inyo. Ano ba tong issue na to kasi, GP? Yan yung nagsalita si Attorney Lorna Cabunan sa huli na I'm preventing myself from giving her spanking. 'Di ba? Pero mga kababayan, bukod diyan, mahaba 'yun eh. Wait lang. Try ko ulit i-open. Actually, yan dapat yung content natin kanina. Ito ata yun, if I'm not mistaken. Ito nga. Ayan guys. Ulitin natin.
Kasi nga sabi mo, dapat may mahuli. Sinabi ho ba yan sa JC na dapat may mahuli?
Ang nakalagay po kasi sa JC under 4.8.5
Hindi,
is proof of
sorry,
success.
Your Honor, please.
Let the witness answer, Your
Honor, please,
Mr.
can the-
Presiding Officer,
can-
can the counsel be instructed not to stop the witness at mid-sentence, Your Honor?
Your Honor, please, can the witness be directed to just answer with yes or no? The counsel has her time to ask clarificatory questions later
Your Honor,
during
not all
redirect, Your
questions.
Honor.
Not all questions can be answered by yes
I am
or
on
no.
cross, Your Honor, please.
Counsels.
Never mind if you're on cross. There are limits to cross-examination. Misleading questions are not allowed
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
Oh, di ba maliwanag mga kababayan? Misleading questions are not allowed. Sabi niya, they are allowed. Di ba? Ano yung sinisinungaling dito ni Attorney Sheila Season? Buwa ka ng ina niya. Di ba? Nakakabwisit guys. Parang sorry hindi ko napigilan yung sarili ko eh. Maliwanag na maliwanag Di ba sumagot siya doon sa sinabi ni Attorney Lorna Capunan? Sabi niya ganon.
Misleading questions are not allowed
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
Counsel.
Di ba they are allowed, mga kababayan? Ulitin ko.
I'm on cross, Your Honor, please.
Counsels.
Never mind if you're on cross. There are limits to cross-examination. Misleading questions are not allowed
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
Di ba? That is, mga kababayan, practically answer doon sa statement po ni Attorney Lorna Capunan that misleading is not allowed during cross. And she says, mga kababayan, she said, they are allowed.
I don't think I need to lecture
Please,
you that.
counsels.
Diba? Kaya nga nagtawanan yung mga hindi ko alam kung mga abogado to, diba ha? Diba? Mga kababayan, ayan napanganga na lang si kuya.
Aray ko.
Napanganga na lang si kuya. Ibig sabihin, alam nila. Kaya si Attorney Ligutan ay nag-post, mga kababayan, na by their heart, yung kanilang mga estudyante, alam na alam that during cross, mga kababayan, misleading are not allowed. Diba? Sabi ni Attorney Christine, they are allowed. Ano sinasabi mo, Attorney Sheila? Kahit ulit-ulitin natin to, hindi magbabago eh.
Direct, Your
questions.
Honor.
Not all questions can be answered by yes
I am
or
on
no.
cross, Your Honor, please.
Counsels.
Never mind if you're on cross. There are limits to cross-examination. Misleading questions are not allowed.
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
Counsel,
They are allowed. Talaga.
think I need to lecture
please,
you that.
Oh.
counsels,
Diba, napanganga na lang to. Mga abogado rin ata to, mga nanonood eh.
let's not allow
Oh.
the generational or seeming generational divide increase the tension in the courtroom. Let's keep it a notch lower.
Your Honor, please, I am preventing myself from giving her a spanking, Your Honor.
Oh, 'di ba? Actually mga kababayan, nung nag-resume ang session, 'yan yung mga kababayan, 'yan yung manifestation ni Attorney Ferrer na wag naman tayo magbigay ng side comments na I'm giving her a lecture, I'm giving I'm giving her a lecture, I'm giving her a spanking, 'di ba? Mga kababayan, dapat nung una pa lang, sinama niya na to sa manifestation niya. Diba? And I stand corrected, Mr. Presiding Officer, that it's not my intention to say, diba, na that misleading are allowed. Oh, I stand corrected. Dapat ganun na lang eh. Hindi, mga kababayan eh. Palpak. Hindi kayo makakaisa dito kay Attorney Lorna Kapunan. On the record to. Recorded. 'Di ba? Hindi lang transcript. May video. Mga kababayan, the video will speak for itself.
Time to ask clarificatory questions
Your
later
Honor,
during
not all
redirect, Your
questions.
Honor.
Not all questions can be answered by yes
I am
or
on
no.
cross, Your Honor, please.
Counsels,
Never mind if you're on cross. There are limits to cross-examination. Misleading questions are not allowed.
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
Counsels,
I don't think I need to
Liwanag
lecture you
talaga eh. They are allowed talaga eh. Kaya si Kuya napanganga na lang mga kababayan eh. 'Di ba? Ayan oh. Napanganga na lang. Ha? Anyway, mga kababayan, mga ka-GP Natics, maraming salamat po muli sa inyong lahat. Isang mapagpalang hapon. Mga kababayan, kita-kita po tayo sa mga susunod na talakayan at balita. Ito po ang inyong abang lingkod, JNK.